Hi, I'm going to explain the code that I created, including the output. So in this code, there are three parts: the home page, profile page, and the contact page. So we are going to start in the home page. All HTML documents must start with a doctype declaration. It is an instruction to web browser about what version of HTML page is written in. We also input HTML tag. It is a piece of markup language used to indicate the beginning and end of HTML element in an HTML document. The lang represents the language, so we choose the English or EN. The dir is a direction, so the direction is left to right or LTR. In head part, as we can see, there is meta. Meta is always go inside the head element. Char set equals UTF-8 is the character encoding capable of encoding all the characters on the web. Next is title. We can see this usually on the browser's title bar or a page tab. In its style part, I will explain it later, so we can leave it for now. And we are going now to the body. In my first line, I make the title head named My Personal Website. H1 represents the heading, and the H1 is the larger heading, and it will decrease the size up to H6. So H1 is bolder, and the H6 is thinner. HR to put thematic break or the underline, as we can see in this output. And BR to make a line break. After that, I make a table that consists of three table header. And in the table header, it has the home, profile, and contacts. And in every table header, there is a hyperlink. A href indicates the link destination so that we can access the different page by clicking the link. And in this part of the body is the same as the two other pages, the profile and the contact page. After that, I input tags so that the paragraph that I will be making goes down and make a new line. And this is the p tag, represent the paragraph. So as we can see, this is my paragraph. Next is do not forget to close the body tag as long as the HTML tag. So we are now going back to the style in the home page. It is usually used as CSS in designing the page, but I choose to make it inside the HTML code because it has not discussed yet. Just put the style tag on it. I put this style tag to edit and adjust the fonts, colors, and images, including the inputting background image. So first, I select the body to put some background image on it. So in linking the image, we use background image, URL, and the location of the image. Background repeat, no repeat. Because when we download photos, it is not the size that are compatible on the page. So it will repeat the photo until it refills the screen page. Background attachment to fix, and the background size will be 100% width and 100% height, so that the background image will fill the screen page with the image that I input. So in H1 or heading title, I adjust the font size, colors, and the font style to make it presentable, as well as the paragraph fonts and the table heading fonts. So we are now going to the next page, which is the profile page. In profile page, it's almost the same in the home page, and the only difference is I input image of mine by using the img src tag or the image source tag and make a paragraph by using p tag to introduce myself. So in the design, I changed the background color into gradient instead of image by using the linear gradient, including the direction of the gradient and selecting two colors. And also, I adjust the font heading as well as the paragraph fonts and the table fonts. Next is the image. I adjust the size of it with the width of 400 pixel and height of 400 pixel with the margin to the right 15 pixel so that it will separate the text to the picture when I float the image to the left. Last is the contact page. The code that I will be explaining is the content and design inside the contacts. Because the title heading up to the table is the same with the home page and profile page. First thing I do is I download 4 different pictures or logo, name, address, contact number, Facebook, and Instagram. After I input them in HTML, I make a selector named logo. So in styling, it will make them the same or as one in adjusting. Next is I make a paragraph line in different images, like the address consists of my address as a text, the contact number, my Facebook account, and my Instagram account. In my Facebook and Instagram account, I input a hyperlink going to my social media account page. So as we can see, the target equals _blank means if you click the hyperlink, it will make a new tab going to my Facebook account page and new tab going to my Instagram account page. So let's go back in the style of my contact page. As I said earlier, I make a selectors, which is the logo. This is consists of 4 pictures earlier that I named it logo. So that all these 4 pictures will adjust them as one. So the margin to the right with 25 pixel with the 100 pixel width and height that float to the left side so that the text will goes up beside the pictures to the right. Last one is text. I adjusted the font size to extra large to make it bigger. So that's all, and this is the output.